Hello, fourth grade. Today is Thursday, the 2nd of April 2020. Okay, our lesson today is structure of the earth. This lesson introduces the structure of the earth, aiming at enabling the student to describe the layers of the earth and the atmosphere. Okay, now look at the picture. We will explain the lesson. Okay, let's learn something about the structure of the earth today. This is the structure of the earth. The earth layers, we have 3 layers of the earth: crust, mantle, core. Crust, it is the cooler layer, and mantle have 2 parts, upper and lower, and also core, outer core and inner core. Okay, so again, we have 3 layers of the earth: crust, mantle, and core. Okay, now we will explain the crust. Look at the picture carefully. Okay, when I say crust, it's the layer that consists of all kinds of rocks and soil. Everything you see above the earth's surface. And also, it's the land which we walk on it. And also the land under the ocean. It's the layer that float on mantle layer. So, crust is the outer layer. It is solid, cooler than other layers. Its thickness varies from 5 to 500 kilometer. The thickness, it varies. It's different under the ocean and the land. Okay, now we will move to the next layer, mantle. Okay, mantle is the middle layer. It's 2 parts, upper and lower. It contains large amount of iron and magnesium. The thickness is 3000 kilometers. Okay, now let's talk about the upper mantle and lower mantle. Okay, upper mantle, it's in a solid state, but lower, it is melted plastic. It looks like slime. Okay, why? Because it's closer to the core. So the solid that found in mantle, it's changed to liquid, and liquid, it's like melted plastic. Okay, now let's move to the third layer. It is core. Okay, core is made up of iron and nickel. Its temperature is very high. So look at the picture, the outer layer and the inner layer. It contains large amount of iron and nickel. Okay, so what we know today we know about the earth's layers. Remember the picture. We have 3 layers of the earth: crust, mantle, and core. Okay, so again, crust, mantle, and core. We have 2 parts in mantle, upper and lower, in core, outer and inner. Now we will talk about the status of each layer. The crust, it is in solid state. Mantle, solid. lower mantle in a liquid. It's melted plastic. Remember the slime. In core, outer core, it's liquid state, and in the inner, the core is solid. Okay. Now pay attention. The pressure and the temperature increase as it goes down. When it goes down, the temperature it's increase and the pressure it's increase. Okay. Now tell me, why is the Earth's inner core it's solid? Why the inner core it's in a solid state? Tell me the answer. Okay? So that's for today. Thank you for listening.